Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings for this as an example. And once it's open and visible on your screen, whatever it is that you want to capture, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Looks like we actually need to hold it. There we go. So hold it, and there we go. We have the edit and share option along with the little image that I have just captured. And that is basically as complicated as it gets. Hold power key and volume down. Now once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your photo gallery. So simply open that up and it will create a screenshot folder basically. So right now I only have one, so it didn't create any kind of like categories, and thus there is no screenshot folder, but as you can see it shows you screenshots and there it is. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.